2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, air conditioning, front, side airbag, cruise control, anti-theft security system, rear defrost, FWD, fog lights. Come take a test drive today.